Let's revise the definition. First one we see coplanar forces, which is in same plane. Non-coplanar forces, which occurs in different plane. Concurrent forces at a single point. Non-concurrent forces at different points. Then coplanar concurrent forces in same plane at a single point. Coplanar non-concurrent forces in same plane at different points. Non-coplanar concurrent forces in different plane but at a single point. And non-coplanar non-concurrent forces in different plane at different points. Okay. Now another type of force is like parallel forces. The forces which are parallel to each other is known as parallel force. If the force occur on this body, it's like this. The spacing between these two is same. Then they are parallel forces. In parallel forces, there are two more types, like like parallel forces and unlike parallel forces. How we can differentiate these two forces? The like parallel forces are, it means the direction of the forces is same and the spacing between these two also is same. Then it is considered as a like parallel forces. But if the direction of forces is different but the spacing between these forces are same, it means the direction is different the spacing is same. Means all are at equal distance. That is considered as unlike parallel forces. So this were the terminology of the forces and the types of forces.